Alright, so here's where I'm at. Had the car running a few days ago, was revving it, whatever, bleeding the cooling system and stuff. And now I can't get the car started for the life of me. I didn't change anything, I didn't unplug anything. So I have no spark for some reason. And it's kind of sending me insane. Obviously this isn't connected, but put that back real quick. Try to crank it, show you what's happening. Whoop, put up with the key. No beans. So I'm going to attempt to hook up the charger and see if it makes a difference. Alright, after investigating a little bit as to why this car is not starting, I found a fuse that was blown. I kind of doubt that this is the problem, but we're going to give it a try. So I got my box of fuses right here. It's a little 10 amp. That one's definitely not blown. Close that up. Let's see, do I remember where this goes? Alright, this goes right here. Put it in there and let's just hit it. I found the Evos. Where we at?
I don't know. This is Chinatown.
Yo, pissing and eating is two different things, bro. Looks like a Mark II.
Alright, so car's running. The next problem is getting the exhaust situated. So these studs are no good. And I just wanted to make sure the car was running first. So now I'm going to pull this turbo manifold back off and adjust that. Turbo is back out the car. Here's what we got for the downpipe. It was something like that, I think. Sure. But all of both of these studs are just junk. So I kind of want to take these V-bands, weld one of them onto there, so then I'll be able to rotate and angle the exhaust. I won't have to worry about this leaking. So I think I might just do that. got my V-band welded onto the turbo. It should be strong. I did a pass on the inside, one from the outside. Got the V-band welded on my downpipe, I guess you can call it. It's gonna go there. Now, I just gotta bolt the rest of the downpipe up to the car. And then see how it lines up, tack it up, pull it back off, and weld it up together. So now I'm gonna try to tighten all these oil lines, make sure everything is good to go. So that was leaking before, so see what's going on there. Take care of that. We'll be good to go. All right, quick little update. Got the turbo and everything back in the car. Now I'm just working on getting the exhaust all spliced back in. So this is where I had to cut it before to get it out because of the junk flange and the bolts that were impossible to get out. So I just gotta line this back up. Got my little Harbor Freight welder over there. And use to just get some tacks on. Honestly, this doesn't need to be pretty, so I'm gonna just weld it with that. And then I'm gonna start it and you can hear it. Alright, so I got this piece of angle iron just tacked on, holding the exhaust together. I don't want to weld under here before I set this car on fire. There's a bunch of oil and coolant and random fluids on the floor, so I'm going to tack this on here, loosen the V-band, take out those 2 bolts on the flange, and then weld this on the bench.